How to change your password on Printify. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through a straightforward process on how you can easily change your Printify account's password. First of all, launch open Printify application, or you may also go visit printify.com. I'm just going to open up the app here. Once you've open the app, go to the bottom right corner and tap on account. After you're inside this accounts tab, click on open Printify web and it'll take you to printify.com anyway. Once you're inside the home page, go to my store at the top right corner, and now this will open up your store. From your store page, go to the top right corner and tap the 3 horizontal menu button. Now click on the account button on the bottom, and then under account you'll see the settings button. Tap on it. After you tap settings, scroll down and look for the password tab. Tap the change password button under the password box, and now go ahead and enter a new password you want to change to. After typing down a new password, on the next field, re-enter the new password once again. Now head over to the next password and enter your current password for your Printify account. Finally, click on update at the bottom left. Now you have successfully updated or changed your password. Next time while logging in, you'll need to enter the newly updated password for Printify. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.